This one is a slide of Dermatofibrosarcoma protuberans. It is a locally invasive tumor that arises from the deep dermis, and it's locally infiltrated and subsequently involve the subcutaneous tissue. It is basically composed of the spindle-shaped cell having fibroblastic differentiation. These cells are elongated and have an hyperchromatic nucleus. Here it is hyperchromated and elongated nuclei being identified. The arrangement of these cells in the form of a pinwheel-like appearance like this, as depicted in the picture. Now in histopathologically this is appearance as this. Now this one is a central pin and these are all the projections arising from it. Okay. In the next slide, they are being identified here as a pinwheel-like appearance arrangement of these. Sometimes also referred as a storiform pattern that is defined as a deeply woven mat-like appearance. Now this is a slide that shows gross slide with a very good labeling. It shows the epidermis, papillary and mid-reticular dermis uninvolved, whereas the lower reticular dermis is being involved by the deep blue sea of small short bundles of cylindrical spindle cells. An important factor to note here is that the pilar erector muscle, hair follicle and sebaceous gland remain unaffected. Along with that, there is some of the variants. The first is the fibrosarcomatous. It has a malignant potential and it shows a longer fascicles of these spindle-shaped cell, giving a herringbone appearance. The next one is a Bednar tumor. Here you can identify the scattered melanin. Next one is the deep infiltration in subcutaneous tissue, showing the honeycombing appearance. These are the spindle-shaped cell in a herringbone, in a storiform pattern or a pinwheel-like appearance. Next one is the immunohistochemistry, and that is positive for CD34 and shows the diffuse positive.